This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Alright, today we're working on TRSNates Jeep, and as you can see, one of the lights has gone out. You know, sometimes that's just a fact of life when you're playing with things, aftermarket parts, connections, stuff like that sometimes fails. So what we figured we would do for you guys today is actually do a little bit of a troubleshooting video that shows you the things to look for, the steps to take to diagnose what the problem is so that we can help you get it fixed. So we know that this installation has been working for about 5 years now, and all of a sudden that passenger side headlight is out. The easiest way to go ahead and diagnose this is we're going to swap some parts from side to side. The easiest thing to do is just start with the part that's most accessible to you. In this case, it's the ballast computers. So because that light bulb just flashes and turns on, it really could be anything from the ballast computer, the igniter, to the light bulb, and therefore we're going to go ahead and swap that computer first. So go ahead and start by taking this off here. Ballast computer on this side that we know is good because this light is working, and this one over here, which is on the bad side. Go ahead and just swap these out. Okay, so once you have those parts swapped, go ahead and return on the lights, see if it fixed the issue. As you can see, passenger side light is still out, so swapping the ballast did not fix it, and therefore we can say with confidence that the ballast was not the problem. The next thing I'm going to do is swap the igniters, because that's another component that's part of the system and could also be part of the problem. Well, it wasn't the igniter either. So we've already ruled out the ballast computer and the igniter because the problem still remains on the passenger side of the truck. So really at this point there's only a couple more things that we can check, but most common sense thing next would be the light bulb. So I'm going to turn this back off and we'll swap the light bulb from side to side. There it is. As you can see, the problem has now moved over to the driver's side of the Jeep, and therefore by swapping the bulb and the problem followed it, we can definitely say that the problem has been the bulb this whole time. By process of elimination, we've moved the ballast, we've moved the igniter, we've moved the bulb. Whatever part that the problem follows, that's going to be your issue right there. Now, I did not get to the point of checking the grounds, but if you're using a wire harness that has an independent ground on each side and only one light is out, that would have been the next thing that I checked, because it's the only other thing that controls each light independent of one another is the stability of that ground on each side of the vehicle. Now, unless it's rusted out or anything like that, chances are that's not the case. More often than not, it's actually a component that has failed. And again, in this case, it was